If you are dead set on buying and starting short-term rentals, on this video, I want to share with you 3 things that you need to do to protect yourself when you're buying short-term rentals, okay? Number 1, buy it so it works as a long-term rental first, okay? A prime example of this, when the pandemic hit, some of our short-term rentals, we had cancellation after cancellation after cancellation. So we had to take those and turn those into traditional rentals so we don't lose our tail. And you need to be able to do the same thing in case things or laws change, okay? Number 2, research regulations, right? There's so much regulations that's coming down with short-term rentals, so make sure that you are buying these in the right places, okay, and not going in blindly. And then number 3, please build and make sure you protect yourself with a margin and reserves, okay? At least 3 to 6 months, because remember, some of these short-term rentals are seasonal, they're very volatile, and so we want to make sure that we put ourselves in a safe place to where we have at least 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. So do these 3 things to protect yourself when setting up a short-term rental.